Hello, my name's Dyfed Alsop. I'm the Chief Executive of the Welsh Revenue Authority. It's 2 years now since we were established, and it's 6 months since we published our corporate plan. I'd just like to take this opportunity to say thank you to everybody who's worked with us to get to where we've got to so far. Well, I'm really proud of the digital take-up that we've seen of our services in the last 6 months. We've worked really closely together with service users to design and deliver services that have meant that nearly 99% of people now file online with us. And I think that's really strong evidence of the fact that we can, in Wales, working together, create digital services that are testaments to our ability to work together. Well, I think the first thing is to make sure that we continue to deliver the same high levels of digital take-up of our services that we've seen so far, that we continue to support people in making sure that they're able to pay the right amount of tax. And I think beyond that, that we can build on the relationships and partnerships we've already created to see a real deepening of the cydweithio that we've seen already to date between ourselves and other organisations across Wales.